So are you into photography, videography, or something in that niche, and you're looking forward to create a website for the kind of service that you offer? So do make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best WordPress themes that you can use to create your website to make sure that you're having a professional looking website. And to make your WordPress website creation much more easier, these themes are coming with demos that you can just import into your WordPress site, and then within few clicks and few setup, then you already have your website. So all the links to the themes I'll be recommending in this video, I'll leave them in the description of this video so that you can check them out. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to the channel. So it's absolutely free to subscribe. So go ahead right now, smash that subscribe button, and also give the video a thumbs up, okay? So with that, guys, so thank you if you have just done that. So let's head over to the video and let's explore the best photography WordPress themes. So the first theme on our list is called Black Silver. So you can see this is a photography WordPress themes with over 4,000, almost going to 5,000 sales up, at the time of making this video. So let's go ahead and explore this theme. Now, if you come over to any of the theme, and you're going to come to a page like this. So for you to get the theme, just click on Add to Cart. So once you click on Add to Cart, you'll be taken to a page where you are going to sign in or to create an account if you don't have an account with them. So you create an account and then you get access to purchase the theme and download the theme files. So the theme files are what you're going to upload into your WordPress site. It's a very simple process, but if you need any help with any of those processes, just let me know in the comment section, okay? All right, so now let's come over to Black Silver. So as you can see here, so the price for this theme is actually $59. So let's see some of the features that you're going to get with this theme. All right, so let's start with the demo. Remember I mentioned that this theme actually comes with demo. So you can see this is one demo here. And if you want to see what the demo looks like, once you're on you can just open it. So let me just open this in a new. Okay, so you can just go ahead, click on it to see what the demo looks like. So these are other demos that you can import. So if you like any of the demos, so this is another more demos that you can see there are more photography to showcase your photography or videography works. All right. So in addition to the demo, you can see 140 pages included. So these are the inner pages. So this is the about us, not just one style, but they are different. You can see about us, about me, about me. So there are different pages, inner pages that you can actually pick from. That is if you don't want to create yours from scratch. Okay, so it's as flexible as that. And the website is very responsive. It shows well on both desktop, mobile, and tablets. Live editor, page builder, no coding required. So even if you don't have knowledge about coding, you are good to go. So here are some of the features of this website: auto save, background overlay, shape divider, one page website, and the likes. Okay, so this is just letting us to know more about it. So the portfolio side, so portfolio gallery, so there are different ways it appears. Okay, so that is everything that this page is telling us. All right, so that's it. The first one, Black Silver. If you want to check this out, I'll leave a link to it in the description. Just come over here, add it to carts, and then you'll be able to make use of this thing to create your website. So the next analysis is called Top Pick. So this is a portfolio photography theme. So here is another theme that works with Elementor Page Builder. In terms of Page Builder, it works with Elementor Page Builder. So let's go ahead and explore it. So let's check out with the demo first. So you can see these are the demo for this particular theme also. So in you choosing which of the theme that you should actually go with, you can choose them based on the price, based on the demo, based on the type of page builder, or based on the features. All right. Now for this particular one, it has both the light version and the dark version. So right here, these demos are the light version. So you can see, and these are the dark version of the same design, but the dark version. So whichever one you want to pick, the choice is yours. Okay. So you want to have a photo proving effect for the photos on your website, you can do that with this theme. Okay, so that means you can protect your images or your photos with password. All right, so you can also do that. Bulk image uploader, menu style. So there are different ways you can let your menu to appear. If you want it to appear as a sidebar, if you want them to appear like this, you can see different menu style available to you. So right here are the other features of this particular theme. Okay, and then the reviews. So that's just a sneak. So that's just a little overview on this particular theme topic. So you can also check this. This also comes highly recommendable. So the third one that I'm recommending is called Oyster photography WordPress theme. Okay. So this is another theme that also works with Elementor Page Builder. Okay. All right. So now let's check out some of the features. Now, right here is one of the demo. Okay. So if you want to see other demos, if you look at it here, there are other demos that you can see here. So all the images, once you upload them, you can see it here. So this is what they can use to navigate the images. If you don't want it to appear like this, you can see the other styles that are available. Okay, and then you can also take advantage to explore what other pages looks like. The gallery, there are different gallery style, the grid 2, demonstrate 2, portfolio style. If you want to have a blog section, then you can do that. If you want to see what other pages looks like, you can also do that. Okay, and then the contact page, you can check out what the contact page looks like. So this is another great theme if you are looking forward to build a professional photography or videography website or anything in that niche. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are 3 packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those 3 packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get 73% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. So welcome back. I hope you're finding value in all of these things I'm sharing with you. Okay. So the next one I want to look at is Vernisage photography theme. So if you look at the little description, you see Vernisage is a responsive photography WordPress theme, which best suited for photography portfolio. Okay. So let's check out this also. So this is how this works. You're going to be having the images. Okay, so you can decide how you want the image to show, maybe zoom slider or default slider. If you want to have a background video, okay, you can choose how you want it to appear. And then you can also be creative and create your own different style. Okay, that's if you don't want to use the pre-made template or demo. It also have different pages which you can also check out. Okay, so that's it on this particular theme, Vernissage. If you want to integrate WooCommerce with it, you can also do so. So that's a premium photography theme. All right. So next to that is twofold. All right. So twofold is just like let's just say one of the best for the last. So twofold full photography, full screen photography WordPress theme. Now this comes with 11 on-page layouts. All right. So now let's go ahead and explore those layouts. So you can see it here. So this also have both the light and the dark version. So you can see this is the dark version and this is the light version. Okay. So again, you can just click on any of this demo to see what all the pages looks like. All right. So guys, so far I've mentioned 5, I've shared 5 with you. Now the banner at the beginning, it was mention of 10, but while creating this video, I had to go through the list again and make a short list to 5. I know I took out 5 and then I'm sharing with you 5. Okay, so these are the 5 things that I'm recommending to you if you're looking for to create a photography or videography website or anything in that niche. Again, we look at black silver, we look at top pick, we look at oyster, we look at vernissage, and then we look at twofold. Okay, so let me know which of these themes is your favorite. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video. And don't forget, once you land on the page, you come over here, click on add to cart, you create an account, and then you have access to download the theme. Also, if you want to check out Hostinja, if you're here to get hosting, I am recommending Hostinja to you. So to take advantage of the 73% discount, I'll leave a link to it in the description so that you can take advantage of that offer plus the free domain that you are going to be getting. Okay, so guys, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know which of this theme are you going to be using. Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, my name is Prosper and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.